Jason is in the building.
All right, so now we are now arrived to Kalani Mall.
And we here. Oh man. It's so cool.
You know, I've never been to this mall.
Same here. I always pass through it. Just never go through it. And, so it's quite cool that I actually thought about it today.
It was funny because I saw the thing on Instagram. And I was like, let me check it out. No, first I saw it on a billboard, then I saw it on
And
Instagram.
then you're like, it's calling your name.
Yeah, I was like, why not?
Calling your name. But why not at the end of the day?
Yeah.
Why not? It's quite cool. It's normally
What is this? Oh, a vape store. Oh, here we go right here at the Bonsai Succulent Show. So here we are arriving at the Bonsai Succulent Show, just to show you a picture. Here's a picture of it from the 4th to the 6th of November. Cool. Okay, they got some cute little bonsai. Yeah. Got some big ones, little ones. Yeah, this is actually nice. As you can see. Alright, just to make sure the video is better, just hold it by hand. So these are a bunch of the different bonsai. So like this is 600 Rand, this one here, that's about 40 bucks I think. 1,500 for this big one here, that's about 80 bucks. I don't know if all of these are bonsais or not.
This one's cute.
And this one got some kind of fruit on it. Oh, there's a kumquat tree. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm really wondering if is everything. Well, I know some of them are not bonsais.
Not all of them are.
No, well, okay. So this one's a Japanese maple tree.
So insane.
Okay, now I think that might be a bonsai. I don't know. Oh shoot, they got more stuff over there too. Oh, this is a cool looking plant. It's really cool. Yeah, the Bonsai Guru. It's cute. Real cool. Oh, that is nice. Oh, okay, so I guess they all are different bonsais. Yeah. Okay, so Chinese maple, fire thorn, Chinese hackberry, pomegranate? Really cool plants. Real nice. How you doing? Wild olive, cotton, Easter, blue cedar, hawthorn,